everybody, got a product here from ColorConnex. I picked these up for $25.57. I think you can get them cheaper online probably, but from the dealer I bought them from was a relative, so I went ahead and paid the little extra to help his business out. But these are some really good couplers. They come in 3 different colors. You can get a red, a green, and a blue, all depending on what you're using it for and what's going through the lines. But I got the red ones here for in my garage and that, and for my business that I do. But I use this little compressor here from Harbor Freight a lot, but the fittings on it were junk, the couplers and all that. So I ended up getting these here kind, and I have no leaks on them whatsoever. I can leave this on all night and the pressure barely goes down any. But the good part is, where they're red, you know, match them up with your red and you're good to go there. And there's like, let's see, I just hold it up to the camera here and you can kind of see what's in it. But there's the different fittings for whatever hoses you have or whatever tools you have. You should be able to come up with something on there to make it all work for you. But I ended up, I think, buying like 5 sets of these. So I got plenty of them for all my tools and everything, air nozzles. But it says it comes with 4 each of the plug FNPTs, 6 each of the plug MNPT, and 2 couplers, which is female, and 2 other couplers that's male. So these are good little setup here, and they're really nice. Like I said, they're color coded, so there's no mixing them up if you're using all 3 different colors or 2 different colors. But great product from ColorConnex. Actually, Legacy makes them, but don't forget to check them out. I'll try to find a link and put it down below where you can order them from. And have a great day. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.